We love
Let's do
Shark Stick
unboxing. This is
Vacuum.
our new Shark cordless vacuum. Yes, we finally decided to buy a new one. Kahit hindi pa sira yung aming Shark vacuum. Malit lang ang bahay namin kaya hindi namin kailangan ng heavy duty vacuum. Tsaka isa pa, wala kaming pet. Kami lang dalawa dito sa bahay ng asawa ko. No kid also. Ibang ganda. So, yung aming old na Shark vacuum, I think 9 years old or 10. Kaya it's proven na matibay. And it's still in good condition. Kaya sabi ng asawa ko, ibebenta niya daw. So, kung sino man yung susunod na gagamit, tatagal pa yung basta iingatan. So, ito na nga guys. Naglilinis kasi ako. Kaya, gagamitin ko na. It's a lightweight stick vacuum. Look at the brush. It's purple and cute. Ito yung dock charging. Ganyan siya oh. Pag charge. And ito yung attachment na accessories pa. So, let's turn on. This is yung on and off, and ito yung mode selection. Mode selection. Dirty. Walang bull, square.